In a world where every journey counts, and versatility is king, a new contender emerges, ready to redefine what a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle can be. This is the Morbidelli T125, a machine built for global riders seeking freedom, efficiency, and fun on two wheels. As motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide are discovering, the T125 is quickly gaining a reputation for its impressive balance and surprising capability. At its heart lies a meticulously engineered €5 plus certified 124 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled engine. This isn't just about the numbers, it's about the feel. Delivering a lively 14.21 horsepower and 11.0 Newton-meters of torque, its smooth throttle response and efficient performance are perfect for daily commutes, weekend escapes, or navigating diverse urban landscapes, from bustling metropolises to quiet country lanes. Morbidelli's heritage of precise engineering is evident in the T125's robust foundation. A sturdy steel double cradle frame, complemented by a generous 41mm upside-down front fork with 177mm of travel and a preload adjustable rear shock with 55mm, ensures outstanding comfort and predictable handling across varied terrain. Whether it's the worn cobblestones of an old town or the loose gravel of an unpaved road, the T125 inspires confidence. Braking is reassuringly strong and safe, handled by disc brakes with two piston calipers and standard ABS, featuring a 265mm front and 220mm rear. This system provides crisp, reliable stopping power in all conditions. Adding to its adventurous spirit are the 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, fitted with dual-purpose tires, and a substantial 220mm of ground clearance, delivering genuine versatility for light trail exploration. The rider experience is further elevated by modern technology. A clear, horizontally oriented LCD dashboard provides essential information at a glance, while full LED lighting ensures excellent visibility. Practical touches like USB charging and illuminated handlebar controls underline the T125's commitment to convenience and rider comfort. Weighing just 148 kilograms with an accessible 820mm seat height, the T125 is designed to be highly approachable and maneuverable for a wide spectrum of riders, from new license holders to experienced motorcyclists seeking a nimble companion. Simple, robust, and exceptionally versatile, the Morbidelli T125 is more than a means of transport. It's a call to adventure, a reliable partner for your everyday journeys, and a gateway to the roads and trails beyond. Discover the Morbidelli T125, designed for the world, built for your ride.